LawnMaster OcuMow Robot Mower with Optical Navigation. Introducing the cutting-edge LawnMaster OcuMow Robot Mower, a revolutionary gardening assistant designed to transform your lawn maintenance routine. With its state-of-the-art optical navigation technology and an array of innovative features, the OcuMow is here to redefine the way you care for your small lawn. Say goodbye to laborious mowing tasks and hello to more leisure time, enjoying the beauty of your perfectly manicured lawn. The LawnMaster OcuMow is ready to mow out of the box and uses optical navigation technology to effortlessly navigate around your lawn with precision even in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring efficient mowing without the hassle. Specially designed for smaller yards, the OcuMow mows up to 1,000 square feet on a single 3-hour charge, with the option to extend coverage by purchasing extra batteries for impeccable garden maintenance. Optimize performance by defining your lawn's perimeter with a raised edge of at least 2.3 inches to prevent the mower from leaving the grass, and set up a virtual fence to keep the mower clear of forbidden areas. Dual ultrasonic sensors navigate around obstacles as small as 6 inches and tackle slopes up to 35% effortlessly. Enjoy convenience with 4 adjustable cutting heights, a carry handle, and quiet operation at 68 dB, all packed in a compact, anti-theft protected design for easy storage and peace of mind. Elevate your lawn care routine to a whole new level of simplicity and sophistication with the LawnMaster OcuMow Robot Mower. Optical Navigation Technology. Take the guesswork out of yard work. Our robot mower uses sensors and a wide-angle, high-dynamic range camera to identify grass even under extreme contrast lighting situations to allow the robot to navigate around your lawn efficiently. Designed for small lawns, mow for up to 3 hours covering 1,000 square feet while dropping small clippings on the lawn to feed the grass. For a larger yard, extra batteries can be purchased separately. Obstacle avoidance. 2 ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles and automatically redirect the robot mower to avoid obstacles as small as 6 inches. No-Go function. Use the included 30 feet of magnetic wires to create a virtual fence within your yard. Setup is easy with no power source or digging required and prevents the robot mower from entering any forbidden areas. Climb up to 35% slope, deep tread wheels and powerful drive system grips slopes to handle complex lawns. Drop and mow. There is no need for an outdoor power socket or app setup. Simply set the robot mower on an appropriately sized lawn, push the start button, and let it get to work. For best results, a clearly defined edge around the full perimeter of your lawn is required to prevent the mower from leaving the grass. Adjustment of the lawn edges may be required. As with other robot mowers, a grass trimmer is needed to trim the lawn edges.